Yeah, hi, welcome to today's video. We're going to be looking at 7 legitimate sites of where you can go and earn free Bitcoin. So whether you're already into Bitcoin or whether you want to know how you can go and start and get some free Bitcoin, watch this video right to the very end. I should be counting down my top 7 sites that you can go and earn. And we're going to be starting at number 7 right now. Okay, so number 7 in my ratings would be a site called Binance. So this is a trading platform where you can buy and sell crypto, but also when you have got an account, you can basically refer other people and earn a percentage of what they obviously invest. So that is a good way, obviously, of starting out how you can actually go and earn some free Bitcoin. So this is why this is my number 7. That's the only way really you can actually earn on here. You can obviously trade and you can do various other different things, and you can check that out in this video here that I made recently, which is a more in-depth review of Binance. And there are 7 different ways you can actually make money with crypto on Binance. But the only way you can do it for free is basically by obviously referring others to Binance. So that is my number 7. So number 6 in the list is another one very similar to this, and that is Coinbase. Okay, now the difference with Coinbase and with Binance is obviously you can actually earn Bitcoin for free on Coinbase just by watching some videos and tutorials all about Bitcoin. You'll get paid for watching those videos, which are only a few minutes long, and you can earn up to probably about $100 worth of Bitcoin in a very short period of time. So make sure you check out Coinbase as my number 6 recommendation for earning Bitcoin for free. So we move on. We move on to number 5, and my number 5 site would be a site called Timebox. Now, again, this is a site where you get paid for doing micro tasks, for answering surveys, playing games, installing apps, even for posting on Facebook. Okay, you can obviously earn money and gift cards and that as well, but they do pay out Bitcoin as well. So again, it's quite a good site for earning Bitcoin. And the why it's number 5 is obviously because it's very simple to do, very quick. But obviously the amount that you will actually be earning could be very, very small. So you would have to obviously take quite a lot of these surveys over time to build up your Bitcoin before you withdraw. Okay, so going on, counting down, and we're going into number 4, and that is another site very similar to Timebox, and that's called Feature Points. And the way Feature Points works is very, very similar. You earn rewards on your phone or on the web for just taking surveys, getting cash back, and obviously playing games and that sort of thing. I've obviously made a couple of videos on Feature Points, including a video on how I pulled out money with Feature Points. Very, very easy to do. And the reason why I put it slightly higher than Timebox is that basically it's a lot easier to obviously get people into Feature Points, because you can obviously earn as well from other people that come in underneath you on your referral link. So it's a far easier way to obviously earn points on a passive income system. So you don't have to obviously earn all the points yourselves. You can actually get other people to obviously come in, take the surveys and that, and then you will get 50% of the points that they earn as well. So that's why I've put it slightly higher than the Timebox one. But again, you can pull out and you can earn Bitcoin for free to get started. So another great site, which is totally legit. So now we're going into my top 3 sites here. And the third one I'm going to actually tell you about is one called CryptoTab Browser. And this is basically a browser which you can download to your desktop or your mobile. And basically it means that every time you browse, you're actually creating and mining your Bitcoin. So straight away, it is very passive. So that's why it's high up on my list. And also you can actually earn down various different levels. So if you refer people to your first level, they refer people to a second level, and you earn all the way down the levels for quite a few levels. So again, it's quite an easy way. Once it's worked and you get quite a few people involved in it, then obviously you can earn Bitcoin fairly quickly, and obviously it's earned passively in the background, so you don't really have to go and do anything. Once you set it up, it's there, and you can then start mining your free Bitcoin. So that's CryptoTab Browser. Again, check out a video I done on that recently, which will go into it in more depth. So we're down now to my top 2, and the first one of that is a site that I've actually joined just recently, and that is a site called Idle Empire. And again, it's very simple to do. You actually you can earn free skins, games, gift cards, or cryptocurrencies. And the reason why I've got this quite high is you actually get 500 points just for signing up for an account, guys. So you start off really easily, and then you can actually refer other people and get 50 points per referral. Plus you can do small tasks, that sort of thing, and you can earn big points with doing just these tasks. And again, I've done a video just recently, so check out that video right now, and then you can obviously go into that in more depth. But it's very, very simple, and why it's high on my list is it's very easy to get started. You get points, 3 points straight away. You can refer other people, and also the limit to withdrawing is very low. It's only 1,000 points where you can start withdrawing Bitcoin. Okay, so again, it's easily maintainable, and you can do it fairly, fairly quickly. So we've now come to that time where my number 1 way of earning free Bitcoin, and that is a site called Honeygain. And again, the reason why this is my top on my list is it's basically passive income. You don't have to do anything, and basically this is similar to CryptoTab in that it'll work in the background, but you just basically download this to either your Windows or your PC or your Mac or your mobile, and you can do mobile as well. You can have up to 3 devices literally working in simultaneously with this. And basically what it does, it takes your excess internet and then pays you for taking that excess internet. So you really need to have a unlimited internet on your provider, and then this will work brilliantly. And all you do is literally download it to your desktop, and as you can see here, I've got mine working away in the background. As you see, I've gathered 33 points today, and it pays out on when you hit 20,000 points. But another great thing is when you actually sign up, as it says here, if you sign up and you register, you get £5 gift. And what that basically means is you're going to get 10,000 points in here straight away as soon as you register. So again, what I'll do is I'll put all the links to these underneath this video in the description, so you can go and check them all out. And I'd certainly have a look at all of these, and there's certainly what you could be doing is you could actually get quite a pot of free Bitcoin by joining all these different sites, because some of them, obviously the CryptoTab, the Honeygain, even to a degree the feature points and that, once you actually signed up, you could actually refer others and earn points passively as well. So a lot of them actually work in the background for you once you've actually signed up for them. So there we go. There are 7 legit sites where you can go and earn free Bitcoin and start your cryptocurrency portfolio. And obviously once you then build those up, you could then go back to the site called Binance, and then you could obviously go and trade what you actually earned and make it into even more Bitcoin. Okay, I trust you found that video interesting and useful. If you did, obviously smash up the old like button for us. Also, make sure that you watch this video next, and also if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel right now, hit that notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video. Bye for now.